I'm Thomas. I'm basically from Chennai. This whole thing about coaching is really new to me. I have been as a counselor for many years, counseling many people, married, unmarried, youth, families. But somehow this coaching thing really clicked me in my mind. Why can't I do that? So that's how I just bumped into Grow More from online, from Facebook. And especially the one thing that really hit me is the ICF certification, that I'm very sure that I want to get into Grow More if it is ICF certified. So this being ICF certified, that is one thing really pulled me in this whole thing. And the journey has been great. I would say that as a counseling sessions, like whenever I do go for counseling, we tend to ask questions, but at the same time we give solutions. But here in coaching, one of the main things that really helped me to turn my perspective is that I tend to ask questions but not give solutions, but listen carefully and observe them without giving any solutions. So that was really challenging, but also helped me to turn my perspective of everything, and making the right questions is one of the things that really helped me a lot. Not only that, I got some new friends over here. I was really, what to say, enjoying my friendship with them. I have quite a lot of friends, like almost all of them really are close to me. Also, one other thing is like the files they sent to me over online. So it was really helpful for me to log in. So a whole bunch of stuff about coaching was really overwhelming a bit, but it was challenging. But since I had that compassion, it really synced in my heart. And right now, pursuing it is my whole lot of big goal, I would say. So I really want to thank Inderjeet. The way that he really did training all of those people, including me, is really amazing. And it's on job, intensive, hard work, a bit tough schedule, but really enjoyed. Thank you so much.